everyone, I'm your host Petalisbless and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another glam and elegant, easy decor on a budget to share with you all. And these are the items that we will be using for today's 2 DIYs. Okay, I have this vase here from the Dollar Tree and I taped it off with some painter's tape, just going right around on the outside, and I'll be using some of this blue acrylic paint to paint the inside of our vase. So I'm just going to squirt some paint down there on the inside. And then I'm just going to use my brush and paint going everywhere all over the bottom of the vase. I'm not going to pass the green tape that I placed going around. And if this is your first time on my channel, I'd like to say welcome once again, and I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell and become part of the Glamster team. And to my oldies and goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIYs. Okay, while our vase is drying, I wanted to share with you the 2 kind of glam chains that I'll be using. One has a little bit more space in between. As you can see here, one is more spacious and one is more of a tight-knit chain. So I just wanted to share the differences with you. I will have the link to both these chains in the description bar below the video with the links. You can go over and check them out. And both chains are from Beebeecraft. Okay, so now our paint, it's not fully dry inside, but it's dry enough. So I'm going to remove the painter's tape and start working on our vase, because I won't be touching the inside for now, so it can stay there while we're working on the outside. Okay, so I have some of this bling ribbon here from Beebeecraft also. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and tape it going around our vase. Sorry, glue it going around our vase, so it will hide the imperfections of where we painted. Now you can paint the outside of the vase, but I prefer the inside with the painting. I think it's much more neater. And probably if you spray paint, yeah, spray painting is good for the outside, but for the clear vases, I prefer inside painting. And for this vase, I'll be using the tight knit chain, this one right here. So I'll be using some E6000 to glue our chain going around the vase. Now I'm just going to go around the bling ribbon that we have. And also going around the bottom part of our glam ribbon. Next, I'll be using the E6000 and add 1 line of our glam chain going straight up the center of the vase. And now I'll be adding a few more chains, but not as long as the first one in the center, on each side of the vase. And now for DIY number 2, I have this vase here that I used from before, so I'm going to reuse it. And I'll be placing these stones that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can also get them from Dollarama. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue them onto our container. Now you can use the Mod Podge if you like, or you could use the hot glue like how I am using it. Now we're adding the stones going all the way around to give it a textured look. Do you like when your decor has a textured look? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you do. I love it when there's a little bit of a texture to whatever decor that I have within my home. And now I'm finished putting on the stones, going right around. So now I'm going to use some more of our blue paint and paint our stones. Yes, we're painting them blue. So I'm just going to continue painting our stones blue, going all the way around. And then I will set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now I have another vase. It's time to work on the top part of our textured candle that we're making. So I'm going to use some of this blue ribbon again that I got from Beebeecraft. And I'm going to use some hot glue and tape one strip going down the center of our vase. Okay, now it's time to use our other glam chain. This one has more space in between each link, and I'll be using some E6000 again to glue the chain going down the side of the ribbon that I have in the middle. Okay, here is our textured bottom piece. I think it looks lovely. So I'm just going to glue the two pieces together, and I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue. Okay, our piece is not dry yet, but I'll be using some more E6000, and I'm going to place the chain going around the bottom part of our candle holder. I like how the chain looks going around the bottom. I think I'll go around again one more time, so it's 2 loops going around the bottom of our candle holder. And here are our 2 Glam and Elegant candle holders. 2 easy and fun glam decor to help sprucing up your home for spring. And I'm loving the blue with the silver. I think they look nice and elegant together. And I love the texture from the stones. OMG. I just love a textured decor. And our bling, our glam bling from Beebeecraft with the added touch. I think they look absolutely lovely. And see, I did a double chain on the bottom of this one. And this one is the one with the further loops on the glam chain. This one is the tighter loops on the glam chain. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Yeah, of the 2 chains, which one do you like better? Alright, here we go with candles inside. I think they look lovely with candles inside also. Two lovely DIYs on a budget using items from the dollar store and more. Yeah, more is the Beebeecraft items. I think they turned out absolutely lovely. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's 2 Glam and Elegant candles. And hey everyone, today is also the day that we announce the winner for our Totally Dazzled $25 gift card. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching the video today. And time to announce our winner. Our lucky winner is Jacqueline Ware. And you can contact me at adamsonhiggins@yahoo.ca, and you have 48 hours to contact me with your info so you can collect your gift card. And thank you to all that participated in this giveaway, and I will have more giveaways again in the future. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY, and hopefully I see you on Wednesday for Cricket Wednesdays. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.